Welcome back to my channel Way to Merchant Navy guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I will discuss regarding the 10 reasons why Merchant Navy is the best profession. Okay, so as you know, I have discussed a lot of drawbacks regarding Merchant Navy. So if you I already have made more than 200 videos, so it will be difficult to find for you, but if you search, you will find the drawbacks of Merchant Navy. Just put Way to Merchant Navy ahead or behind whatever it is in the video, so you will find that. Okay, so obviously in each and every profession there are pros and cons. Merchant Navy is not an exception. I have made one video regarding pros and cons also. You can watch also that video. So but in this video I will discuss what is the 10 reasons that make Merchant Navy one of the best profession in the world. Okay, so let's start with the first point, that is your lucrative pay package. Obviously if you compare with a short job, you will still feel that Merchant Navy, if you are sailing with Merchant Navy or if you are engaged in the Merchant Navy, then you will getting more salary. Even when you are not getting salary while at home, still you will find that you are earning more annually. Another thing is that after 2008 people are saying that salary has been decreased. For previously it was for third officer 3200 first joining, now it is lying between 2000 2800, depends on the company. But one thing you have to keep it in your mind, the dollar rate has been increased a lot. Yeah, on 2008 what was the dollar rate? I guess I don't remember actually, but I guess 60 rupees, 62. Now it has reached to 75. So there is a gap obviously. So the salaries actually remain same. Now in second point, if you ask me, then tax benefits. Yeah, every year the rumors are coming up that this year seafarer has to sell 240 days, otherwise he has to pay tax, and every year it has been cancelled. And obviously last year, this year only, during budget 2020, the a lot of confusions have created. I have made two videos regarding, actually three videos regarding it, regarding a tax. So the conclusion is seafarer has to sell only 183 days. That is very much possible, and seafarer used to sell 6 months obviously. So there is no tax for him, all the money is his. He is basically a NRI or non-residential Indian. So tax benefits is there. And then I'll keep third, the destinations galore. Means you can visit lot of destinations. Yeah, frankly speaking, you cannot go out. Means you can go out, but very nearby to the port you cannot visit, or you cannot get opportunity to visit the core city or the main city. Yeah, previously it was there because the ship used to stay so many days at port. So seafarer used to get the opportunity to visit the city or the country very closely. But nowadays the cargo loading, discharging, means the cargo are getting very fast. Within one day it can finish. So it is next to impossible to visit the city, but you can at least, you can say that I went to that country, I have visited those countries, so that is fine. Now the confluence of cultures in fourth point. Yeah, you will meet a lot of people, especially if you are sailing with a multinational crew. Then you will find lot of cultures, you can learn lot of things, you can taste lot of foods. So obviously it will give you exposure to your character, and you can say at the end of your days that I have done something. So at least you can say that. So that is the thing, you can learn lot of cultures. And in my fifth, enhances the professionalism. Yeah, obviously your punctuality will increase, your responsibility will increase, lot of things which shore people don't have, that is for sure. They have the negligence, but as a good seafarer, you see, the good officers, you'll never find their negligence, you'll never find they're not punctual. They are punctual, they are very responsible, they are very good at their job. So that is the thing, you will obviously, it will enhance your professionalism if you are engaged with the Merchant Navy. In my sixth, extensive exposure. Already I have told regarding this extensive exposure, that obviously lot of countries you are visiting, lot of cultures you are learning, the importance of job you are learning, punctuality is there. So obviously your career engrossment will be there, and you will find that your career is also exposure, and your life is also getting exposure. Okay, and you'll find yourself that you are solving some problems regular basis, so obviously exposure is there. Now inspiring adventure, the adventure is there. See, in merchant navy you will not feel boredom. If you love your job you will not feel boredom, because you know what, at regular basis the each and every day is different. It's not like you are going to office at 10 o'clock and come back 5 o'clock in the evening, and the life is same except a Sunday you're getting. Not like that. You will get a Sunday and a holiday, I'll come later, but you'll find lot of things in merchant navy that is obviously feel adventurous. Now demanding or less demanding qualification. See, for officers that is not valid. I don't believe in this point actually. Yeah, if you are going to become a crew, then that is fine. After class 10 you can go and join GP rating courses, and you can find yourself at sea age of 17 to 18, that is fine. But when you become officer and if you want to become captain, then all over your life you have to do studies. So I don't actually support this point. Regulated lifestyle, yeah, already I have said that regulated lifestyle in the sense the punctuality, the discipline. Obviously the discipline and punctuality is there, because you'll find at ship that people used to have their dinner 6 o'clock in the evening, so that is the discipline and punctuality, so that is there. Now that is my last point, and the 10th point, that is the extended vacation. Yeah, extended vacation is there. You will get at least 2 or 3 months vacation. That is means, see, one Sunday doesn't make any difference, right? When you are working at shore, you get the one Sunday, it will vanish like that. So it is not like that, means you will not find that satisfaction after doing work. Yeah, obviously in ship you will not find any Sunday until and unless you are step down from the gangway. There will be job, you have to work. Okay, there is no Sunday, especially for the officers. But when you have vacation, you can enjoy the fullest. So that is the reason you can take a count on it. So I guess I have understood the 10 reasons why the merchant navy profession is the best profession in the world. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and obviously press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.